So in this video we'll be going over one of the advantages of myCNC software, which is the ability to set a different cutting speed for your holes and arcs on 2D contours which fall below a certain diameter. So for example here I have a cutting speed of 1250 which is loaded in from my cut charts, and I would like to set a slower hole cutting speed, for example for these holes and these arcs right here. And to do that, I can go into my settings, configuration, motion, and scroll down to the arcs slow speed control for 2D cutting. Make sure it's on, select a radius, so all the holes with a radius of 80 or less in my case will be cut at this slow speed. And next select your slow speed or your slow speed as a percentage of feed rate. So first of all, let's try selecting the slow speed, set it to 900, so we expect every hole which falls below 80 millimeters to be cut at 900. Save, go back to your main screen, and press play. Alright, so we're going over this arc at 900, back to 1250, and we expect to drop to 900 again. There we go. Okay, so now let's go over the second option, which is slow speed as a percentage of your feed rate. So now let's set this to 0, and let's say we would like to go over each hole and arc with diameter of 80 or less at, let's say, 20% of your feed rate. Press save, go back, and now run the program. Here we have a feed rate of 3600, and you can see that we're going over the arcs at 720, which is 20% of our feed rate. Okay, so that's how hole cutting speed works. You can find out more at our documentation at docs.pb-automation.com and on our website at pbautomation.com. Thank you for watching.